This isn't gonna work, man. Yeah, I need some backup here. You shooting against Fred? Not working at all. I'll make a phone call. Keep you down here in 10 minutes. Can you bring some friends? All right, appreciate that. Help's on the way. We'll even a score. Hi, Facebook and Instagram. Chad Anderson from Anderson Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram, hanging out down here at UW Health Sports Factory with Fred VanVleet. Fred, do you want a challenge?
Yeah, let's do it. What's the bet?
You win, I buy lunch down at 15th and Chris on your signature burger. And if I win, you gotta come sell cars for a day.
Easy.
Easy?
Yeah, no, easy me beating you.
So here's the problem, I'm changing the rules. You're not shooting against me. Take a look to your right. You know any of these people?
Yeah, I've seen them. You kind of brought the heavy hitters out, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. So I got a lot of conference MVPs, some college ball players in there. They're a lot better shooters than I am.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah?
That's not hard to do, though.
Oh, you still feel pretty good about yourself. I like my chances.
All right, we'll see.
All right, deal.
I'm Jensen Blosage. I'm Jordan King.
Danny McClarty.
I'm Brock Stahl. I don't know if that's fair, though.
Why not?
I feel like it's 1 versus 4.
Yeah, but you're in the NBA.
Okay. Fair enough.
All right, deal. All right, let's go. Let's get this done.
Need some chalk. Just enough. A win is a win. I'll take it. Long game.
Look at the scoreboard.
Long game.
Long game. You got one more shot.
I do. Thanks, Chad. I needed you in order to win.
I'm buying lunch.
Yeah, for sure. 15th and Chris.
Thanks for having fun. Appreciate it. Thanks for making the time. Thanks, guys, for coming in.
Thank you.